Ang loob ng cargo, yung passenger naman dito. Oh, okay. At saka, saan ba siya? Oh, at saka mga CDs dyan. At saka yung cellphone ng asawa ko guys, nasira-sira. Tipak. 10:58, 15:59 AM. At saka dito naman sa back seat, yung may tissue tayo, tissue. At saka yung shoes. At dito sa ibaba, yan, may martil yung pangpukpok ng mga self-defension pa guys. Pag may magbinaas yun lang. At saka yun, may sa harap yan, club yan, at yung pabos mo. Bila siya nakikita. Mag-grocery me, so mag-mass me. Normal guys.
So?
Which one?
Seed, 9 grain.
Just the plain wholemeal please. I don't want the, but if you like it, it's alright. That's the shop guys. Woolworths yung pinapuntahan namin. Katapos lang namin mag-grocery. So, yung asawa ko may binilay pa. So, I'm just waiting here and then we're going home. So, see you. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers na laging nanonood. Thank you and God bless you more. Shopping center guys na pinapuntahan namin. So, labas-pasok yung mga tao. So, katatapos lang namin mga grocery. So, we on time na. It's a beautiful day. Look. So, very, very, very fast. On our way home. So, road walk. Follow the speed limit. It's a beautiful day on traffic light. So, it's go. Oops. Go. So, may mga road widening. Nag-road widening dito kasi nagawa ng bridge. Oopsie. So, traffic guys. And yun ang road widening there. So, before, there's a lot of houses selling.
Not one looks like that.
Huh?
Good change.
Yeah. The houses was gone and then we're gonna build new road there. That's the traffic light. No U-turn. No U-turn. And there's a working there too. They're working there. Working. Where are they gonna put all the outside? Maybe they put the dirt in the ocean, in the river. Sunset and Australia. They're working here for another new bridge. They're building a, look, what do you call the crane? And the other one is crane too?
Yeah. It's a hammer on the end of that crane.
Hammer? Yeah. And how come
The hammer the poles in the ground.
Oh.
And they're hollow. So they can put the cement on it and they get all the way in the ground.
Yeah, and you know what? They covered up the welcome to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Today's video, first time kong nag-online shopping guys, no. Tapos, na-receive ko na today. So, ngayon, buksan ko na yung nabili ko online. So, buksan natin. Kay karon guys, high blood kung maayon, no. So, ito lang ang pang-cool down. So, inom tayo, takay tayo. Anila guys, this is my big love, my big boy na kahit nga makasakit sa kayo gusto natin bugan. Say hello. na please like, comment and subscribe. Please like, comment and subscribe.
Subscribe. Ding ding.
Please. Guys, yung in order ko online, dumating na siya for only 1 week. So, let's have a look what inside. So, kahit naman, gaano ang hirap sa buhay, no? Kung may gusto kayong bilhin nyo rin. Hindi naman kailangan, hindi kayo bumili kahit gusto niyo. Pag meron naman kayo, may ibibili naman kayo, diba? At saka, kailangan nyo. So, go for it kung saan kayo masaya. Ito na guys, yung nabili ko, buksan na natin. Hindi natin yung magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Karaka, let's bukas it. So, na-order ko to January 3. And dumating siya January 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 1 week lang siya guys. Dumating na ting-tireng. There you go. Oh. Full kadat dress at saka shoes at saka dress guys. Yung in-order ko online. Oh, look. Wow. It's not bad. Churong. Shoes for fashion personal shoe. The shoes is only $30 guys, and then wow, and I have my dress here, polka dot. This is size 7 shoes. Kasya sa akin pang trabaho. So, ito na ang damit na bubuksan natin. So, small size. Guys, it's only $37 and it's really good, and I already tried it on, so very comfy. And then buksan natin yung dress, and dress is $25, $24.99, so it's $25. So there you go. Oh, so it's like this. Wow, let's have a look. It's a polka dot. It's good for the new year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So I fit this on, darling. Okay, darling naman guys, no? So, plus $12 guys. So, nabayaran ko lang lahat is only $73 all up. And 17 cents. So, it's not bad. It's really good. So, I gonna try it on now. So, tingnan natin. This is the dress, guys. And the shoes. So, how does it look?
Pretty.
It's all, do you think it's nice?
Yes.
Okay.
Turn around. Yes, very pretty, darling.
Well, it's good for the new year. Happy New Year.
And he's been and
I'm
gone.
not like that.